Hello friends, today is March 17th. Most of us think that it is too early to start the gardening. But we can start our spring garden now with the cool season vegetables. The cool season vegetables thrive well in temperatures between 45 degrees and 70 degrees. So I have categorized the cool season vegetables into 5 categories. Number 1 is the leafy vegetables. For example, lettuce, kale, spinach and arugula. So on this side, we are going to plant kale. These are the seeds of kale. We can plant spinach in this container. Half inch deep. These are the seeds of spinach. The second category is roots and tubers. Roots like radish, carrots, beetroot, and tubers like potato. If you have a potato with the sprouts on them, you can plant them now. These are the seeds of radish. The third category is Brassica family, which include Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage. The fourth category is legumes. We can plant the snow peas and snap peas in March. In the next row, we are planting the snow peas. But the long beans, they are warm season vegetables. Long beans, beans, pole beans, etc. They are warm season vegetables. But the snow peas and snap peas we can plant now. The fifth category is herbs. So I have seeds of chives and coriander. The seeds are called coriander. When we plant them, the leaves are called cilantro. We can plant the coriander seeds in this container. The seeds are coriander seeds. The leaves are called cilantro. We just have to sprinkle the seeds. And cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. So we can start the spring garden now with the cool season vegetables. Even the radish can be harvested in as few as 30 days. By the time we harvest these cool season vegetables, it will be time for our warm season vegetables. Middle of May we can plant them. Happy gardening!